Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Ollie here back on this channel. Many songs from Ollie has been here, like perhaps Broken Wings, Holding On, and One Day. This is not one day, this is week after week. That's a new song here from Ollie, week after week. Nice song here. With the capo set on the second fret, we have two easy chords. Only two chords for this song, guys. So let's start with the capo on second and let's go over two chords. We'll not use them within a strumming setting or so. We'll just hold them as a grip and we'll pick notes from the actual chords. So the first one is actually a C major 7 but with a G in the bass. What you need to hold here is this. So that is third on E, third on A, and second on D. And then everything else down there is open. Open G, open B, and open E. Open E we'll actually not use for this song, but anyway, this is the chord. C major slash G. And then we have the final and second chord here, that's an F. And you need to hold just like this. You don't need a bar like we usually do with F, so just like this. That is first on E, then third A, third D, open G, and open B. That's what you need. So this is the second and last grip. All right, so let's go through this chord by chord, starting with the C G chord. All right, so hold the grip as it is. You're gonna pick first all the strings there between E and G. So that means third fret E string, third A, second D, and open G together. Then you're gonna hit the second D again, then a clap, and then you're gonna pick four strings together again. Those are the third A, second D, open G, and open B. And then you have a long break there, and then you're gonna play that part again. So okay, so you play this for 2 rounds, and after this second round you just hit the third fret on E string, which you are holding still with this grip here, as a transition note to the next chord. So to summarize, it was 2 rounds of this. Long pause, and then again. Long pause again, but in between, third fret E, and then comes the next chord. Next chord, we know that it's the F. Hold the grip as it is. Now you're gonna pick the first fret E string together with third A and third D, and then a clap, and then you hit the first E together with open G and open B. A long break there again. And then we have this transition note, which is the third fret E string. And then back to the original grip here, the F, which is the first fret E, third A, and third D. Hit those notes together again. And then a clap. And then you hit the first E string together with third D. And a long break. That's the end of the F part, and that is actually end of this song, because you're gonna play like this from the beginning till the very end. I'm gonna give you a full version of it. Again, you heard it in the introduction of this tutorial. It's nice to play, so I give that one for you once again. Let's go. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, play tuned.